In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and selecting Alarm section at the top left corner. Then, before creating your alarm, click on those three dots at the top right one. Tap on Settings and manage all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. When you are finished, go back, and to add your alarm, select this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour and save it by choosing OK. Finally, you can click on Repeat and select days of the week, in my case Fridays and Mondays. Now you can click on this little icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Tap on the bell to set up the best melody for your incoming alarms. In order to do that, you can download one of those apps or select Dismiss, click on Add New and tap on Music from your smartphone. You can also just pick one of those sounds, like oxygen. Finally, click on Label. Label your alarm however you want to and tap on OK. You can also click on this switcher next to Google Assistant routine to edit or remove it from it. Last but not least, click on Dismiss if you wish to enable it. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. In order to hide all of those options, click on this little icon at the bottom right corner of it. In order to turn it off, tap on the switcher next to it, and then on the same one, to turn it back on. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, simply click on the same icon at the bottom right corner and then select this pin at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!